Alright, what I want to quickly get across this time is that um, due to so many changes going on around the site, I had to actually set up a facility for everyone to log in and then be able to put in your information there, and then you can send in your traffic as much as you want. Oh, got a call now. I think, I hope it's a call that I want to pick. My wife is attending to that. Oh, alright. Just a second. Hello? Oh, good morning. Yeah, she's here. She's actually here. In fact, she's already dancing. I'm playing about it. Yeah. I say she's becoming happy already. Yeah, because of it.
She's excited.
She's excited already.
It's grandma!
How's everything, man?
It's grandma.
Okay. And so it's also we're always trying to remain in touch. Actually, we should have been at your place recently. Oh. Hold on for a while. Yeah. Right, so what's actually happening is I just want to quickly tell you that you can get to the site and then put in as much information as you like. Just log in, register, log in, and then you can start posting your information out there. And as you post your information out there, you can one of the features and advantages is you can log into the page. When you log into your home backend, you'll be able to see what you can post, like your you can post to the forum, post to the blogs, post to each activity that you participate or each information you post will actually appear like a page, except for the sidebar. You know, that one is almost like constant. Well, your page will actually stand like its own, and you can send as much traffic as you want to that page. I'm always monitoring the bandwidth and the traffic stuff so that everything is up and running. And why this is very important is it can serve as an environment for you to house your information and to actually get your message out there. So rather than looking for where to bounce your information on or where to place your valuable information, you can always do it on the site below. Just open an account. It's very easy. It takes 1-2 minutes to register an account. Get back to your email, confirm the account, and then once that is done, you can start posting. Just log in, log back in, and start posting. And as you post, you will obviously be able to see on the main stream of the page that your information is right there and ready to go. Just click on your own link, or your own post, the page you just created. You'll see your link, and with that link, you can go back to that particular page, copy that particular link, and send your traffic there. That can be a good way for you to get your information out to many more people. And one of the other things I want to quickly add is that when you want to post anything, make sure it's something that doesn't break the pages. Like some people might want to use iframe and things like that. Make sure you stay within something that will still be presentable without changing too much of the pages. Because if it's going to affect the entire list on the main page, I'll have to go back there and make sure that your page may not show up on the mainstream if it breaks the frame. But if everything works fine and your information is legally allowed on the internet, because that's one key thing. Some people might want to be posting irrelevant things. If I see if any irrelevant thing is seen by any of our moderators, obviously expect your information to be audited. Well, if you post good information, quality content and videos or whatever, obviously it will allow you to stay, and you can keep allowing everybody to see your information by sending them to those links. Now, just like you have so many blogs out there, you have your own environment here where it's your blog. You can send people to your own blog that they will only see what's on your blog, or you can just pick on a single page and send people there. So I hope to see you signing up. I hope to see you participating in this, and I'll get back to work now and keep making sure I can do something to improve the service. Thanks for your time and hope this helps someone. Talk soon. And one more thing, you can always get in touch anytime. Use all the facilities on the page to get in touch. I'll be happy to help anytime. Be happy to be of help anytime. And well, looking forward to seeing you participate in this. Thanks so much for your time. All the best. We'll talk again shortly and soon. Maybe a short broadcast like this. Thank you. Simply because they exalt